Hello viewers, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be looking at autonomous pick and place robot using Raspberry Pi. So, let me brief you some of the hardware component of this robot. The robot is running with two controllers in which one is acting as the master, which is obviously the Raspberry Pi here, and the another one is acting as the slave, which is arduino here, to which all other mobile components were attached, like motors, sonars, and robotic arm. So this is it. We have used the Raspberry Pi camera, as you can see it here, for detecting the markers. The markers are shown here. These are the markers that has to be detected when the autonomous operation is working. So this is it. The Raspberry Pi and the robotic arm is powered with the power bank, as you can see it here. This is the power bank. If I can show you here, this is the power bank. So we have used the power bank for powering the Raspberry Pi and the robotic arm, and the motors are running with the separate 3S LiPo battery. As I can show you, this is the LiPo battery. I can show you here. This is the LiPo battery, the yellow one. So this is it. So we have used the Adafruit TC-A9685 PWM servo driver for robotic arm control. As if I can show you. So this is the TC-A9685 PWM servo driver for robotic arm operation. So this is all we got. So now let's jump in to the working setup of this robot.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be back with more informational videos.